time, it's more and more difficult to attract the new generation of young people to vocational education and training. I'm very happy to invite you to the first Augmented Training International Congress that will be held in the city of Huelva in the month of March. We have organized a panel of top experts from different countries to discuss about augmented reality, skills training, and Industry 4.0. It's a great opportunity to join a community of people using augmented reality to enhance education and training at a marvelous venue. Save the date, March 8th, 9th, at the wonderful Punta Umbría Beach Resort Hotel, and we will be all very happy to see you here.